Here we see the VariocellPallet, a pallet automation system especially developed for the CHIRON 16th series. Matthias Rapp, he leads the area sales for Germany, Austria and Switzerland, will tell you what this module is good for.
Was ist die VariocellPallet?
What is the VariocellPallet? As already mentioned, the VariocellPallet is a pallet automation system. It enables the clamping of various raw parts on a rotary table with up to 10 pallets. The handling system feeds the raw parts from the front to the machining center and removes the finished workpieces. While the center is machining one pallet, another one can be loaded in parallel. Here, the VariocellPallet is combined with an FZ16S 5-axis. This machining center stands for a previously unknown combination of precision and dynamics. The most important customer benefits of the VariocellPallet: high productivity, even with batch size 1, autonomous production with high flexibility, workpiece weight up to 300 kilograms, good accessibility, module is electrically movable, machining center and automation from a single source.
You want to see in detail how the VariocellPallet works? Our product video will show you.